Welcome to Cocoons Club, Laia.
Kung naghahanap kayo ng kakaibang staycation with unique design and relaxing beach vibes, dito na kayo sa Cocoons Club Laia. This summer, maligo at magpalamig sa dagat ng Laia while enjoying a relaxing tropical escape. We stayed here for 3 days and 2 nights during the long weekend, and since Labor Day getaway ito, deserve talaga ng manggagawang Pinoy ang pahinga at relaxation after all the hard work. This is located in San Juan, Batangas. Cocoons Club Laia is a tropical beachfront resort known for its iconic cocoon-inspired accommodations that perfectly combine nature, comfort, and then modern luxury. From the moment you arrive, mararamdaman mo agad yung peaceful atmosphere brought by the ocean breeze, coconut trees, and calming sounds of the waves. The resort is perfect for barkada trips, family vacations, romantic getaways, or even solo staycations if gusto mo lang mag-relax and recharge away from the city. One of the highlights of the resorts are their unique cocoon-style rooms na quaint, cozy, and super aesthetic. The rooms may have a charming compact feel, but they are thoughtfully designed to give guests a relaxing tropical experience while still feeling comfortable, modern, and Instagram-worthy. Aside from the beautiful accommodations, ang dami ring relaxing spots around the resort. They have amazing infinity pool with jacuzzi, beachfront lounge areas, tropical pathways lined with palm trees, open spaces for chilling, and direct access to the beach where guests can swim, relax, or simply enjoy the peaceful scenery. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang food experience because Cocoons Club Laia has 2 amazing restaurants inside the resort. First is the Captain Barboza, a beachfront restaurant and bar that offers American cuisine and refreshing drinks. Perfect spot ito if gusto mo mag-chill by the beach while enjoying burgers, grilled dishes, cocktails, and relaxing ocean vibe, especially during sunset and nighttime. Second is the Sands, which offers delicious Filipino cuisine that gives comforting home-style flavors perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. For guests who love adventure and water activities, marami ring exciting activities na pwedeng i-try here. You can enjoy kayaking, banana boat rides, jet ski, UFO ride, and even parasailing for that extra thrill and unforgettable beach experience. And if relaxation naman ang hanap mo, they also offer massage services perfect after a long day under the sun. Imagine ending your beach day with a relaxing massage habang naririnig mo yung sound of waves. Sobrang therapeutic talaga.